Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best ceiling fan duster is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for maintaining a clean and healthy home environment, especially for those who struggle with reaching high places or simply want to make the tedious task of dusting ceiling fans significantly easier and more effective than traditional methods, ensuring that your living space remains free from accumulated dust and allergens that can impact air quality and overall comfort. Number 5. Blade Maid Ceiling Fan Blade Cleaner and Duster. Introducing the Blade Maid, your ultimate solution for cleaning hard-to-reach places. Its extendable design makes dusting ceiling fans and moldings a breeze, without the need for ladders. Our unique four-sided microfiber sleeve hugs fan blades, capturing dust and grime in a single pass. This means less time cleaning and less mess falling around you. With a comfortable, padded handle that extends up to 3 feet, you can clean without straining your wrists. It's designed for ease of use, even in the highest corners. Keep your cleaning tool fresh with the included machine-washable microfiber pads. Simply remove, wash, and reuse them for countless cleaning tasks, wet or dry. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: an adjustable pole, cleaning head, reusable pads, and a flexible dusting brush. It's perfect for all your household cleaning needs, from ceiling fans to car interiors. Reach those awkward high spaces and tight corners with ease. This tool is designed to tackle dust and grime where other cleaners can't, making your home sparkle. What we like? This cleaner offers incredible versatility with its extendable pole, reaching high ceilings and tight corners with ease. Its four-sided microfiber sleeve ensures a thorough clean in one pass, minimizing dust fallout. If you're looking for a comprehensive cleaning solution that tackles multiple surfaces beyond just fans, this is a great choice. What people say. The microfiber duster head is flexible and can be bent into various shapes to clean hard-to-reach areas like ceiling corners and fan blades. It effectively traps dust and dirt without scratching surfaces, making it ideal for delicate fan blades. The extendable handle allows for easy cleaning of high ceilings and large ceiling fans, reducing the need for a ladder. Number 4. OOSOFITT Microfiber Duster Kit for High Ceiling. Tired of struggling to clean those hard-to-reach places? Introducing the OOSOFITT Microfiber Duster Kit, designed to make your cleaning tasks easier than ever before. We've listened to your feedback. Our extension pole now features thickened stainless steel and reinforced connectors to prevent rotation and breakage, ensuring a more stable clean, especially for high ceiling fans. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to tackle dust from floor to ceiling. With 5 different microfiber dusters and an extendable pole, it's perfect for any home or office. Our upgraded, sturdy extension pole reaches up to 100 inches, allowing you to effortlessly clean high ceilings and cobwebs without the danger of using ladders. It's designed for maximum reach and stability. Say goodbye to airborne dust. Our microfiber dusters attract and hold dust like a magnet, thanks to their positively charged fibers. You can clean without irritating dust clouds. The dusters can be bent to any degree, allowing you to clean nooks and crannies with ease. Reach behind appliances, clean shelves, and dust intricate surfaces effectively. The microfiber covers are fully machine washable and reusable hundreds of times, making cleaning efficient and eco-friendly. Simply wash the covers and they're ready to go again. What we like? This kit boasts an upgraded, more stable extension pole designed to prevent rotation and breakage, reaching up to 100 inches. The dusters themselves are bendable, allowing them to conform to various shapes for efficient cleaning. If you have very high ceilings or struggle with wobbly poles on other dusters, this offers enhanced stability and reach. What people say. The duster head is flexible and can be bent into different shapes to clean corners and crevices. It has an extendable handle that reaches up to 50 inches, making it easy to clean high ceilings and fan blades without a ladder. The microfiber material effectively traps dust and dirt without scratching surfaces. Number 3. Unger Connect and Clean Microfiber Ceiling Fan Duster. Introducing the Unger Connect and Clean Ceiling Fan Duster. Its innovative C-shaped design cleans both sides of the fan blade simultaneously, making dusting a breeze. The microfiber strands are designed to capture and hold on to dust and dirt. This ensures a thorough and effective clean for your ceiling fans. After use, simply remove the sleeve and toss it in the washing machine. This allows you to reuse this effective cleaning tool countless times. Use it handheld or attach it to a pole for extended reach. This makes cleaning high-ceiling fans simple, without the need for a ladder. It easily attaches to standard threaded poles or Unger connect and clean poles. This versatility ensures it fits your existing cleaning setup. Unger provides quality and performance for all your household cleaning needs. Trust us to have the right tool for every job in your home. What we like. The unique C-shaped design of this duster is specifically engineered to capture dust on both sides of fan blades simultaneously. It's designed to trap and hold dust, preventing it from becoming airborne. If your primary concern is efficiently cleaning fan blades with minimal mess, this specialized design offers a targeted solution. What people say. The extendable handle is great for reaching high ceilings. The microfiber head effectively traps dust and is easy to clean. It works well on both flat and angled ceiling surfaces. Number 2. Extendable Feather Duster Cleaning Kit. Tackle dust anywhere in your home with this versatile cleaning kit. It's designed for both high and low spaces, ensuring no corner is left untouched. This comprehensive set includes a telescopic pole, multiple interchangeable heads, and a crevice brush. It's perfect for reaching every nook and cranny. With its stainless steel extendable pole, you can easily reach up to 100 inches. Cleaning awkward angles and high surfaces has never been simpler. The detachable microfiber heads are bendable and washable, making maintenance a breeze. Simply wash and dry for repeated use, saving you money and time. Featuring innovative split fiber technology, it electrostatically attracts dust, pollen, and hair. Say goodbye to ladders and chairs for high-reach cleaning. The included mini handle allows for easy cleaning in tight spaces. It's designed for convenience, making housework significantly easier. What we like. This extensive 9-piece kit provides a telescopic pole and multiple interchangeable heads, including bendable microfiber and chenille options, plus a cobweb duster. It's designed for versatility, cleaning everything from high ceilings to low places like under sofas. If you need a single kit that can handle a wide variety of cleaning tasks and surfaces in your home, this offers great value. What people say. The duster head is made of microfiber and can be extended to reach high ceilings. It effectively removes dust and cobwebs from fan blades and other hard-to-reach areas. The handle is comfortable to grip and the duster head is flexible, allowing it to conform to the shape of the fan blades. Number 1. Microfiber Feather Duster with Extension Pole. Introducing our comprehensive cleaning kit, designed to tackle dust from every corner of your home. It includes an extendable pole, various brush heads, and accessories to make cleaning effortless. Our extendable duster can reach up to 100 inches, making it perfect for cleaning high ceilings, fans, and other hard-to-reach areas. The shorter handle allows for easy cleaning of low surfaces too. The duster heads are made with innovative split microfiber that attracts dust like a magnet. They are also bendable to clean at any angle without scratching surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean. The microfiber cleaning heads are detachable and washable. Simply remove the head after use, wash it with warm water, and hang it to dry for its next use, keeping it fluffy and effective. We are confident in our product and offer a 24-month satisfaction guarantee. If you're not happy, contact us for a refund or replacement. Enjoy a risk-free purchase today. What we like. This comprehensive 11-piece kit includes an extendable pole up to 100 inches and a variety of bendable duster heads, including microfiber and chenille. The bendable microfiber heads are designed to conform to any angle, ensuring a dust-free clean without dead zones. If you appreciate a tool that can adapt to intricate shapes and reach great heights, this offers excellent flexibility. What people say. It is very easy to use and the extendable handle is great for reaching high ceilings. This duster is effective at removing dust from fan blades and other hard-to-reach areas. The microfiber head is soft and won't scratch surfaces, and it's also washable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.